Model, 2015 Renault Trafic Business SL27 Energy dCi 120 Super Clean needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 178,316. MOT, the 4th of April 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.